On this episode, I share with you the 9 must-haves for every bathroom remodel. Welcome everyone to this episode of the Ask Jason Gelios Show. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor. Really appreciate you guys tuning in here. Before we get started, I'd like you to follow, like, subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. Visit my website, it's allabouttherealestate.com. Sign up to receive this in your email every week. So this is a value-packed show. For those of you new to the show, this is a value-packed weekly show that I put online. And I answer the most common and not so common real estate questions that you have. These questions come from current clients, past clients, people I meet on the street, at the store, wherever I'm at. Once people find out that I'm a realtor, they have questions. And so I like to provide answers in this type of format, as well as when I do see them in public too. Of course I answer it. But I love doing the weekly show here because it's huge value for you guys. So really appreciate you guys tuning in. Now, the 9 must-haves for every bathroom remodel. These are the highlights. I don't think they're trendy, but they should be on your list if you are remodeling a bathroom. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now, number 1 is high quality shower fixtures. Spend the money and get high quality fixtures. Not just shower fixtures that have a plastic insert and maybe a chrome plated outside or satin nickel. I'm talking like get high quality stuff that will last. And when you go to sell your home, mention that they're high quality fixtures. Somewhere, let them know that, hey, these are high quality, they're not just, bargain fixtures. Number 2 is rain showers. This has been a trend for the past few years. We don't see it going away. And that's the rain showers where you can have it installed from the ceiling, right? It pours the water down like rain. Or you have a fixture, which I don't think is as great, but it sticks out over. Like I'm a pretty tall guy, so that wouldn't work for me. But some type of rain shower, those are pretty hot right now, and there's no sign of that going away anytime soon. Number 3, glass shower doors with the panels. I personally like the frameless shower doors where it's all glass. The glass opens up like that, right? There's no rail on top, so you can't bump your head, which could happen if you are a taller person. So with the panels, you have usually a fixed part of the glass, and then to the left or right, you have the door. Shower glass doors with panels are huge right now, and those probably won't really go away anytime soon. Number 4, pick the right tile. Natural stone in a shower is huge. That's one of the top picks, but choose a tile that is a little bit higher quality. Don't skimp on that. That is, I don't want to say it's permanent, but tile is not cheap to replace. So if you go with something bargain basement feel to it, it's not gonna appeal. So get something, pick a tile that is really attractive to people. Number 5, heated tile floor. Believe it or not, this is not that expensive to do, but you can have coils run as you're doing your floor, right? You have coils in there so that when you flip a switch, you can actually have the floor heat up a little bit enough to where it's comfortable when you're getting in or out of the shower. So heated tile floors is number 5. Number 6 is a heated towel rack. Now I've never actually heard of this, I've never seen it, but they have towel racks that are heated. Some stay on all the time, and others you can actually control on your own, probably through a switch or some type of remote. In my personal opinion, I wouldn't go too much with a heated towel rack. That's very fancy, but in an upscale type of home, that may be a great way to stand out. Number 7 is quiet and efficient vent fan. This is the fan that is up in the ceiling, so it runs the humidity out of the bathroom or some unattractive smells, right? It is a bathroom, especially if you have a master bath with a shower. Most of the time though, it's for humidity. It takes it out, and it should be vented through the attic out the side of the house or out of the roof. It should never just vent straight into the attic. But get a vent fan that is quiet or has a low sound. There's ratings on that. When you go to the home improvement store, ask them about that or do research on it. But basically, when you run the fan, make sure it's not some loud clankety device going off, right? Make sure that's nice and quiet. Number 7, or actually we're on number 8 right now. A bench in the shower. This is big. This is something that every shower should have if it's a good size, right? Is if you have a walk-in shower, you have a little bench. It's easier, it's a lot more attractive to potential home buyers or just in general, right? It's convenient. As long as the water is not getting trapped between the bench and the glass panel, right? Make sure that, for example, you can do a triangle bench that is in the corner of your walk-in shower. That way the water just beads down, but just make sure that it's done right. Okay, I've seen a home, actually one of my clients purchased a home and they had to redo the shower because they didn't do the former owner, builder, whatever, didn't have the bench right, and so water was getting trapped. And so when we had the inspection, that was something that we knew that we had to face, right? My client had to face, was redoing the shower because it was all warped and nasty. It was bad. Water was getting trapped. Make sure the bench in the shower is done right. Number 9, handheld shower head. Now, even if you do the rain shower above you or you do a different type of fancy fixture in the shower, have a detachable shower handle. This makes it not only easier to clean the shower, but people find that appealing. It's the second most appealing part of a fixture compared to number 1, which is the rain shower. So you can have a rain shower installed up on top where it's pouring the water down, then you can have a handheld thing to get hard to reach areas. So that's the top 9 must-haves that absolutely should be a part of your bathroom remodel. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. That actually concludes this episode 101 of the Ask Jason Gelios Show. My milestone episode last week, episode 100, was huge. I had special guest Daniel Litvin on it from Advantage Lending. That link is in the description below. That was a huge issue where we talked about mortgages, and Dan answered some major questions. So I just want to share that too, because that's that's like the 100th episode that I've done for this show. So pretty proud of that. Got some pretty good ratings on that one as well. So, but I always appreciate the questions come in. Share your comments below. What are some of the things when you've purchased your home or you were out looking at homes? What are some of the things that you've seen in a shower that made you like, whoa, that I shouldn't buy this house? What are some of those things? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor. Follow me on social media and make it a great week.